So frustration we are facing in testnet. Okay, so if you noticed that, you know, the BTC faucet getting website is now stopped because of testnet wire. Okay, everywhere is running testnet BTC. So therefore, every people needs testnet BTC, and maybe everyone go that website and for getting some faucet that he can use website. So we are so frustration that website is off, we cannot join, especially we are doing Julu network testnet. So that is mandatory to have. If you don't have that, you cannot do breeze. Okay, so the breeze point Julu is providing 900 point, that is so much. So however, how can you get those things, I will share with you today. So make a smile. Okay. Okay, if you were check our first option to getting BTC faucet on Google, that is everybody can do that. So included you just search on Google tBTC faucet, testnet BTC faucet. So here is some website is popping up. Number second is paste that I used for getting, and this one is so much. A little bit tBTC give you that is you cannot use by your Zulu testnet. So however, how can you get those things I'm sharing with you? If I click on this second link about Google Shop Me, here is testnet where they're written by a lot of thing about that. People are come into my website for getting faucet, and it is a it's like some problem is happening with us. So therefore it is probably, if you noticed here, it is probably time to start taking an interest in the people who manage the Bitcoin core, how they got there and who oversees them. If you have exposure to BTC, it's also about your money. So this is happening because everywhere has testnet is running and everybody is coming into this website because they provide so much battery BTC. So not so much 0.00 1 to something like that, but it is so much. So if I click on this first on, that is a little bit they provide, that is you cannot use their like Zulu network. So however, it is opening. So we don't want to waste time here, so it is don't work, so we skip that. Second one is not working because of their terrible problem, so you're seeing here. So however, what is the second method? First method is not working for us nowadays, so the second method is I will provide you the Zulu, some tBTC testnet, that is uh, they are ongoing, they are um, they are they are distribution, like tBTC. So come into Telegram, where you will see that Zulu network. You will get this link inside of the, maybe you are already joined because you are doing Zulu testnet. So however, here is people sharing there is other problem, that one guy, if you noticed here, I'm showing you that he provide his Unicet wallet here. So for getting faucet from people because of you know inside of the web, like Google, maybe you see it, in that website is not working. So if you see that done, please send me tBTC, people saying. So here is there is others sending tBTC for working testnet, for being eligible on testnet. So everybody is working here, uh, great. So if you want to get, just write down here, oh man, I need tBTC, something like that I'm showing you. So here we go, like I need tBTC, and paste your Unicert wallet here. So maybe you already know everything about. So I'm showing you again how do you do. So I'm in Mrs. Browser, sorry. And here, if I click on extension for going inside of the Unicert wallet, for getting Unicert address tBTC, like testnet BTC address, if you noticed here, it is loading pretty much, and has to put password for in for enter this like apps, extension apps. However, we are doing this thing. Wait until that. Appreciate you for your patience. However, because end of the day we are here for getting some money. So anyhow, that website is bringing, and here is something went wrong. uh, I'm again going inside of this extension or this tab option. Okay, here is our latest activity. Okay, however, we are trying to new way go to extension because I'm using now mobile phone, therefore it is doing problem. However, maybe you will not face any problem. Okay, I'm hoping that because now is the rural area here. So however, it is again is opening. Sorry for your okay, here is my point. So, and maybe you are your testnet, your wallet is now in testnet mode. Check out if it is. So network, libnet and testnet. Click on testnet after going to setting and go to wallet, and here is your um, address. Okay, click on this copy button and come into Telegram. I would definitely suggest you uh, make a relationship with them, make friend and talk with them some slightly what's your problem and how do you joining, all sort of thing, like how do you like how long have you been doing ER, all sort of thing. So I need BTC, I just said that, and I wanna paste my testnet um, tBTC address. Send. I need BTC tBTC. Send another because it would be easy to copy. Okay. uh, so however, let me see if someone like responds me or not. So I will definitely suggest you, if someone say that I have a lot of you know tBTC for giving you, just see all messages as much as you can, and um, finding who has a lot of tBTC, stationary BTC. Uh, let's say here. So my user is showing fail at the moment, I cannot send out. Okay, let's say need help tBTC. Find out who has tBTC. Okay, let's I'm going to here. 3 million transaction does the test work with points for coins. This is massive. Just looking out there who has testnet BTC. Okay, however, let's say hypothetically he has. Okay, this guy, just DM him and said need tBTC, help me. Okay, okay, help me, something like that. Paste your thing, paste your address here, send, bam, done. So nothing complicated, easy to do. Your post is here, so share to this guys. Everybody is sharing that because one side is off now. If you noticed here, this side is off. Everybody goes this side for getting tBTC. However, you cannot do that, and if it is open, I will definitely suggest you use VPN to get more, use multiple address to get more. Okay, so because doing breeze is 900 points, nearly 1000 points, that is help you to get in rank, higher rank. So this is the thing I will definitely suggest you. If you do need testnet BTC, like seriously, I would definitely suggest you like talk with them, make friend, and as well as get from them some testnet BTC. So this is the thing, nothing complicated. It is like up to you how you can talk with them, and that's it, nothing complicated. So are you want to consider trade, everything you can see here. So the solution has been here. So okay, this is the thing. And if you want to get a specific video about anything, write down on comment, I definitely will reply you, or check out description box for coming out inside of this community, that where people has like you can do message each other, people do message here, as well as you can contact with me here. This is my um, like this is my uh, uh, personal account, so here you can talk with me. Okay, so here is a couple of guy, they are from a different country like Cameroon, Kenya. Some people, if I show you my audience, 10% I see that they are from United States. So however, if you want to be this part of this community, feel free to come into here through description box. Check out description box and you will get this link. I'm showing you um, this Telegram channel link. It is my contact, it is Gmail, and it is my wall social media handle. Okay, so however, come into and see you later in the next time. Until that,